You are
You
regularly
were
are
not
meeting.
aware. Yes, yes.
Yeah,
I'm saying that you were not aware it. Am I right?
yeah, 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 yeah,
I gave you
yeah,
knowledge, information.
yeah, 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 yeah.
So how do
Yeah.
you feel? How do you feel?
Yeah, it's really good. It's
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Wait,
Yeah.
I stopped this one. Maybe yeah, I stopped for everything, but it's how it's coming. Yeah, yeah. So, are you recording right now?
Yes, I have told you that I am recording and I
Okay,
have
okay,
started recording.
okay, okay. Shall I want to introduce to myself? You are you introducing yourself?
Yeah, first I want you to introduce yourself.
Okay, okay. Thank you, thank you, Israel. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity to do me. First of all,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, yeah. First of all, thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Sri. I am from Telangana. Currently, I am living in Hyderabad. So, I have completed my graduation, Bachelor of Science from Usmania University. So, recently I have completed MSc Organic Chemistry, that is distance education, that is the Nagarjuna University. So we have to discuss about the my family background. So we have the nuclear family. We have four members are here. So my two kids are studying very well. So my wife also working as a private teacher. So I am also working pharma industry. I have been working since 2017 in the pharma industry. The pharma industry is working amazing. So we have to the you have to do discovering, developing, producing, marketing, medication to the diagnose and treat and prevent disease. This is going on regularly. Whatever your requirement, drugs you are making to their only. So another part of so my strength also. I'm the self-motivated person. So I know the good communication skills. So we have to discuss our hobbies. I'm watching the TV. I'm listening podcast videos. Again, I'm reading books. I'm practicing yoga, meditation. Also, every day I wake up at 5 o'clock. I'm going to the walking. So at that time, I do the meditation. Everything I can consistently practicing to you. Yeah. Finally, we have to talk about the my C English journey. Yeah, my aim is speak Englishly fluently and confidently so that I can communicate easy with the people. So I'm continuously learning and practicing English. Try to share my knowledge with others. This is my brief information to you. I would like to know you only. So you have to introduce yourself.
Okay. So hello everyone. This is Israel and I'm talking to you from the Kuwait. I have been working in the Kuwait for a long time. Moreover, I run YouTube channel where I upload English content. I believe that learning English is the foundation of success. That is why I put 100% effort into learning English. Every morning I get up with a new desire to improve myself. Yeah, that's all about me, sir.
Yeah,
Okay.
Israel, I have seen your videos. Amazing. Uh, what happened? You are not visible. You are not visible. Okay. So I have seen your videos. You're training to the dogs. Yeah. What will going on?
I'm not visible.
Yeah, you are not visible. Yeah, now is okay. So I have
Hmm.
seen your lot of dogs. You are training to the dogs. Maybe I don't know exactly. How is the weather?
Pigeon.
Quiet.
Pigeon.
Pigeon,
Pigeon.
pigeon. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hmm.
You can use the pigeon. You can use the dove also. You can use the kabutar. We have to know many words also. We have to use the pigeon.
Yeah,
So
definitely.
how to the teach the doves the so I want to know how to do that only.
Hmm. Okay. Okay, it is very good question, and I love to answer. Okay, this question. Actually, I would say I teach them in Arabic language. Okay, and as you know that I am living in open area. It is open area today, and it is called a desert area, secluded area. Okay, so my all pigeons are in the cages. When I go to when I go to cages, when I open the door after seeing me, they start flapping. So
Oh,
I have one stake. I train the pigeon by the stake. When I call them, they just come to me. Okay.
wow.
After flying, yeah, after training, my pigeons keep on flying for 15 to 20 minutes. But when I am said that by my boss that please you call now, when I call them ta'bi, it means Arabic language. They just come to me, and at that time I feel really very happy. I'm enjoying. I'm learning something. Okay, I'm doing
Yeah,
so
yeah,
many things.
yeah,
Yeah,
really wonderful. So you're really great. So,
and I.
uh, uh,
Mhm.
yeah, how did you learn your English? So, how long have been practice your communication skills? Maybe, how did you learn? So, are you getting the coaching? You are self motivated. So, how did you learn?
Okay. Actually, when I was in Bihar, actually I'm from basically Bihar. So when I was in Bihar at the time, I was not able to speak a single word. So when I came to Kuwait, what happened one day? What it happened? One day, money was debited in my account. Okay, and when I called customer care, he started speaking English with me. Okay.
Okay,
At that time, I was not able to speak, and I felt offended. Hmm.
okay,
Then I thought if I have to live in Kuwait, then I will have to improve my communication skill, and I will have to speak English language. Then I started my English language. I knew neither grammar nor how to utter a single word.
okay,
But somehow, first I learned grammar. After learning grammar, I started making small sentences like uh,
okay,
like I am doing something. I am talking to you. I get up at 6 o'clock in the morning time. My friend calls me every day. Okay, so like these sentences I started making. After that, I felt that I am able to speak English, so why should not I talk with a stranger so that I can improve my confidence.
yeah, yeah,
In beginning, when I started having conversation, I was beginner at all. That is why I was not being given chance to have a conversation.
okay.
Then I practiced a lot. Okay,
Oh,
and after practicing, when I give message, okay, to other person that I'm a learner and I want to have a conversation with me. So nowadays I am being given chance. So I'm so happy because I have improved a lot. Okay, so unless you practice, you will not get confident and you will not be able to speak English. So practice, practice. Okay, practice is a very good, good thing. Okay, and practice is a very crucial part. If you practice every day, you can learn, you can speak, and you can go ahead. There is a no doubt. Yeah, that's all
okay.
about.
Yeah, really good for that. Maybe, are you habit of reading books? Are you reading any books?
Well, since I have been uh, started, since I have been improving myself, I haven't read any kind of book. Okay.
Okay, okay, thank you for giving me this wonderful information to me. So I would like to know another question to you. You got the 1200 subscribers. So your channel going to monetize it?
My channel, all right, already has got monetized.
Okay. Maybe how long have you been practicing your channel? You have to make many videos. I have to see your 10 videos. I have to see that. So
Hmm.
maybe it will be take 2 years, right?
Yeah, definitely. It's been 2 years, and I have been running YouTube channel for last 2 years.
Wow, it's really amazing. You're consistently your effort lot of time to in our YouTube. You have to achieve your goal. So actually, what do you want to become in future? You want to become a speaker. You want to become a trainer.
Hmm.
What is your main goal?
Hmm. Okay, okay, okay. So I would say I want to become a good English teacher in my future. Okay, that is why I am improving every day, and I have been consistency, and I have been learning English with enthusiastic.
Yeah, in future. Okay, that
Hmm.
is a wonderful. So maybe have you ever visit to Hyderabad? Do you know the
Hmm.
Hyderabad?
Yes, I know very well. Vaisi is a Sansad. I think you must have heard about Vaisi and Akbar Vaisi. Do you know? So I
Yeah, yeah,
know
yeah.
there are,
OIC.
yeah, he has a two
OIC.
brother, I think, Vaisi.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
And definitely I have never visited in Hyderabad, but if I get chance, definitely I would go there. Okay. So if I go to Hyderabad, so will you meet me?
yeah, 100%. When will you come to Hyderabad? Then you have
Hmm.
to call 100%. I invite to you only. I
Hmm.
won't meet you. You have to come to my home. I will
Oh,
arrange it for the dinner for you only.
okay. Okay. So right now, are you talking to me from your house?
Yeah, exactly. I'm in my house. Yeah,
Hmm.
exactly. I'm my main bedroom. So I'm the
Hmm.
my bedroom. Just I lock my door. So my
Okay.
kids also making something. So I said to them, "You don't disturb me. I have the one live section I'm going on, so everyone can sit silently."
Hmm.
You have to see my kid also on YouTube. She's also making some blogs. So not for YouTube. She's just enjoying to the YouTube.
Hmm.
So the kids are enjoying, making fun. It's
Hmm.
going on. She will make before to me only.
Hmm.
I
Definitely.
learn.
Hmm.
Yeah, I learn many things from my kid.
Wow. Okay. That's a good thing. Okay. That's a wonderful. Okay. Okay.
They know very
So,
well. They know very well. They know very well. I don't know that much of knowledge also.
okay. 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 Actually, when we born, okay, at that time we did not have social media. Am I right?
Yeah, yeah. Exactly,
But
exactly.
in a new generation has social media, so they have more knowledge about you and me, right? Than
Yeah,
me.
yeah.
And you.
Yeah, yeah. They
Am
have
I right?
more knowledge. Right, right, right. They have
Uh-huh.
more knowledge.
They have more knowledge than you. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Actually,
Exactly.
uh, when I was going to India, so my small son, and he is 9 years old. He told me, father, you should bring one watch for me.
Yeah.
Okay.
What will happen?
Huh. After that, I purchased one watch, a watch for him. So I didn't know how to set the time. Okay, in the watch, I didn't do anything. Okay, but when I gave them, when I went to my home, when I gave them or gave him, okay, and he knew everything. Hello, hello, sir. I don't know what is happening. What is happening?